seen a ticket for like $104, but y'all know it was in the nosebleeds, baby. I was gonna be looking like I was on Stranger Things, girl. Oh, I'm getting nervous now. I'm getting nervous, y'all. So I bought myself a hoodie. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Okay, y'all, so we about to get ready for the Raw Wave concert. This is so last minute. We gotta hurry up, okay? So I'm gonna tell y'all the full story, but first it's gotta come off because we getting why did I have to do that? I didn't have to do that. We're in a rush per usual. I've always wanted to go to a Raw Wave concert. I love Raw Wave. I know damn near every single song this man has. But as a makeup artist, when concerts come, you are booked the day of, up until hours before the concert. So thankfully, Rod is doing 2 concerts. He's doing one today and tomorrow. So I'm over here thinking like, damn, I won't be able to go to the concert. Like, fuck, I never get the opportunity to go. I had a client a couple days before this concert, and she's like, oh, you went to the Rod Wave concert? I'm like, no. She was like, I was like, I really want to. Like, if there was tickets, I'll buy it right now. And she's like, girl, they're all sold out. So I'm like, damn, like I was like kind of pissed, but I get it because I'm always just too late. First, I don't be keeping up with the concerts, and then like I really do be choosing money over like fun for real. I be like, nah, I want to get my money. So by the way, happy new year, girl, period. 2026, girl, period. I'm like, okay, freak, like I won't be able to go to the concert. I understand, it's cool. I get my first client of the day today. She booked her appointment at 2 p.m. She comes to her appointment. She's like, hey, boo. I'm like, yeah, where you going out? She's telling me she went to the concert. I'm like, I'm so pissed. Like, I wish I could go to the concert. Da, 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 da. She was like, girl, the tickets are still available. I'm like, I thought they were sold out. She was like, there's tickets right now. Like, I guess, I don't know, like, I don't really go to too many concerts, and when I have paid for a concert, like, somebody had booked it for me, so like I didn't really like know how it works. She was like, girl, like sometimes it'll say like it's booked, but then like they'll like, I don't know if they open up more seats or whatever, how it goes, but she was like, girl, there's like availability right now. I'm like, wait, hold on. I said, girl, if there's availability, I promise you I'm going. Like, no cap my rap. It's a new year. I'm tired of like just only putting the money before like me doing anything, me having fun. I'm like, hell no. So she's like, girl, we look, girl, why is there tickets? So I seen a ticket for like $104, but y'all know it was in the nosebleeds, baby. I was gonna be looking like I was on freaking Stranger Things, girl. Because I waited so late, I figured like, hey, like that's what it's just gonna have to be. First of all, let me put a timer so I'm done with my hair at a decent time. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. Before I booked it, I'm like, let me call my cousin and see if she want to come with me. And my cousin is in Palm Bay, girl. She's out of town because it's the new year. So she's like, girl, you know, I would have went with you, but I'm out of town right now. So I'm like, damn, I forgot that. So I'm like, okay, no problem. So something told me, go on my close friends and make a post and just be like, going to the Raw Wave concert. I'm about to buy my tickets. Who want to come? One of my homegirls, she texted me, mind you, I didn't even know that she was getting her makeup done by me too. She had booked an appointment. So she texted me and she's like, hey, I'm going, like, come with me. Girl, why the hell? I say, okay, so did you buy your tickets yet or you want to buy it together? She was like, yeah, I bought my tickets already. She bought her tickets for $400. I said, I'm not spending $400. Rod, I love you. But hell no, I'm not spending no goddamn $400 on no damn tickets. Like, I haven't even paid my rent, girl. Yes, this is, you're looking at a girl putting her wig on, getting ready to go out, and she didn't even pay her rent yet. She was like, no, please come. So we go look at the tickets, girl. Why the heck we went on freaking, girl, we went on Ticketmaster. Why we found in this, like, literally, I'm like 2 rows in front of her, and I found it for, who keeps calling me? This number keep calling me, so let me see who this is.
Yo.
Who's Nep? I think you have the wrong number.
How you got this number?
I don't know. I literally see messages. I don't know whose number this is.
That's crazy. Okay, I see the message. I thought I was calling my homeboy, but it's cool. All right.
Okay, no problem. Bye. Why this person blowing my phone up? Like, y'all, this person has been blowing my phone up, but it's so funny. One time, me and my friends was being childish as hell, girl. Why hell? It was like literally, like, it was like 7 girls at the house, at my house. We prank calling people, so girls was like going in their phone and they was like finding numbers of like ex-guys they would talk to or something like that, and then we was calling off our numbers. So I see the number and they literally say like call me. Like, it's just like, I see it, like they use my phone to prank call him. So for freaking 2 years, every random time he'll call me, like he don't call me consistently, but like for 2 years he'll just randomly call me. And I'm like, bruh, give it up. Like, I get we prank called you one night, but goddamn, like who the hell is this? So then, but then now you think I'm your homeboy. Like, why the hell is you calling your homeboy and your homeboy not answering the phone like that? You're not gonna text him on Instagram or something? Anyways, child. So long story short, I just finished doing everybody makeup and I just ran home and I just threw this wig, as you guys see, and the wig is already coming out really nice, but I just threw this wig on my head. We got a cute ass outfit that I'm gonna wear. Also, there was another vlog that I just dropped. It was my birthday vlog. Well, it was my birthday maintenance vlog, but I was like getting ready. I gotta drop my birthday vlog. I had dropped the maintenance vlog and I had bought this outfit. I had bought the fur outfit that y'all saw, like the fur vest, but I never got to wear it. Like, it's actually really freaking cute. I'm loving this one. We're gonna see. I don't know how much this one is though, but I think this is really cute and it's something different. I tell you, the stars have aligned for me to go to this concert. Like, hold on, y'all, let me get my bio silk and then we're gonna straighten this. This is about 30 inches, so clock it. I'm about to go ahead and do my makeup. I'm not gonna lie, now we're getting into crunch time. Oh my god, I walk my dog so fast. I feel so guilty. Look, y'all, I need to get my eyebrows microbladed. I have no eyebrows. Like, this is actually crazy. I know how to do my makeup so goddamn fast. Like, it's literally a federal crime. Of course, I love my full glam looks, but the fastest looks that I do are obviously like the not so full glam. That's my favorite because it like lets my skin breathe a little bit. So I kind of really like when my face is not too full glam. So I'm about to just prep my skin. I'm gonna brush my teeth again too before I go. And we just gonna go ahead and prime. We're gonna have a nice sticky primer today. I have like normal skin, so like that's the blessing of having like a normal skin. Like, I don't have oily nor do I have dry. Sometimes I can get oily though, but I have like the option. Like, some people, like, you have to do a certain type of yeah, I cannot talk. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Maybelline. I'm gonna pop that right in the inner corner because we want a really highlighted under eye. See, I'm going straight in with the products in my face. Basically what I'm doing one layer of makeup, one layer. So instead of it being like foundation, then on top of it contour, and then, you know, on top of it this, that, the, no, we're just gonna do it this way. This is the fastest I do my makeup. And then also it's not a pound of makeup. Like, it's like way less, so my skin breathes and I feel like it holds up a little longer. I'm actually so freaking ecstatic to be going to this concert. I just feel like this is setting my new year exactly how I want to do it. I want to do things for me. First of all, I wasn't going to wait on anybody. I wasn't, oh, I'm not going unless my friends are going. It so happens that a friend is going, so I'm glad though. You know, I'm gonna have a good time. She likes Rod. She keeps saying she's gonna cry, so I'm excited because I'm probably gonna cry too. I really do love Rod, and he has got me through a lot. Like, when Rod's uncle died, it was around the time my dad died. So he had dropped the song Last Lap, and I played that for my dad's funeral. I was playing it like a lot. I played it a lot after he passed. It made me really sad, but I felt like it was just the song really, I felt like he made that song for me. Like, I loved him before then. Like, there was even other songs that have got me through a lot. Like, oh my god, I just love Ross so much. So I know I'm probably gonna get a little emotional today, which I freaking love that. Like, what? I want to be over there crying, singing, screaming, like, what? And then if you have ever booked a makeup appointment with me, they know, y'all know, I always play Rod. Like, I'm always playing Rod. I be singing in their face all damn day. So I'm so excited. And I've always wanted to go to his concert. Like I said, I just never have time. I'm always doing the makeup for the girls that are going. So the fact that he has 2 concerts back to back, I can get my money today and tomorrow. What? This is so perfect. And one of my clients today that's going to the concert, which is so funny, I know I'm gonna see her because she's like around the same section as me, but she even she said it. She was like, I'm so happy you're going, Stacey, because last year when she went, I told her how I never get the chance to go. So she's like, I'm so glad that you're going. What's so crazy is, especially because it's New Year, I was saying, like, ever since I got my body done, I never popped out with my new body. So I finally get to pop out with my new body, which is also freaking great because the outfit is T as hell. So I'm gonna get some pictures. Girl, when I tell you today is one of them days that like the stars is aligning for me, child, I'm about to go ahead and start setting and everything like that. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to turn the music up because now this is the time that I need to like start speeding up a little bit.
Been a wild, wild west, this shit is dangerous. Never thought I'd see this thing separate glitter from gold. One friend turned into foes, but it's the life that I chose in these holes. Look so heaven sent, but be so devilish. Got spiteful ways, never seen it coming like a tidal wave. Get on my knees every day, ask God and pray that my dirty ways don't lead me to an early grave. One life to live in this survival of the fucking fittest. They come your robbers when you winning, they want competition. And did I mention niggas itching to be opposition? Hit they blocks for blocks with the extensions. Now ain't no tension.
Just try to hurry up because I want to hop in with them. If not, Marlo's gonna have to take us.
No, I definitely want to hop in with them. Who else is going? It sounds like multiple people.
It's just us four.
Oh, okay. Okay, perfect. I am coming. I swear to God. So I will be there very soon. I'll text you when I'm leaving. I'm literally gonna throw on my lashes, and yeah. I'm actually even more excited because they're doing a black truck, and y'all know I need my black truck pictures, but she was saying the guy that's doing it, he's very impatient. I'm ready quickly so we don't get left, but regardless, if I don't get into the black truck, my friend's boyfriend will take us. So I'm just trying to get myself together, do my bright under eye like I like. Woo! Yeah, I feel the pressure. Ah! Sorry, Kepo. Oh my God, I keep dropping stuff. And my dog, he's like, I think whoever had him before was like a little abusive. So girl, you drop something on him, he think you did it on purpose. But okay, we're gonna set my face. My hot comb is still on, which is perfect because I'm about to re-straighten my hair. Let me take this off because this shit was making my head throb. Slow and steady. Woo! Okay, perfect. Everything looks so good. I'm about to just put a little contour on my lace so it's not. Okay. Oh, I'm getting nervous now. I'm getting nervous, y'all. Okay. Oh, I didn't even put glue on my lashes. Okay, this is the point. Like, I feel like once I start getting rushed, it's like I start forgetting everything I need to do. Like, fuck. Okay, now let me spray with the all-nighter setting spray so everything is locked in. Guys, all right, so now we're doing pretty good with time though. I'm gonna leave literally. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my clothes on real fast. I'm gonna come back. Let me show you real fast. So I showed you guys in the other vlog, but it's this fur top that I'm wearing, and I gotta put my nipple pasties on. Oh, yo, I'm getting nervous. Okay, so I'm about to like get this top. This top is so hard to get into, but once I get into it, everything else is gonna go smoothly. Let me go change my underwears, and I have to put TMI, but I am on my period, so I gotta put gotta put one of these so I can wear a thong. I'm gonna come back when I have my outfit on, y'all. All right, guys, so this is what the look looks like. I'm about to run out of here. I got my fur top on. The girls are sitting pretty. I'll show a full picture of my outfit. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. But baby, thank you for watching this video. Join the team and just do like, not by subscribing to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below this secret message so I know you watched the video all the way through. I love you, girl, and I'll see you later. Mwah. When I tell you that was the best concert I've been to in my entire life, okay? Entire life. Like, oh my gosh, like, I love Broadway. Like, I literally knew damn near every single song. I think there was maybe like 2 songs that I didn't know, and I'm not gonna lie, like from his most recent album, I haven't like been like how I used to be like on it, but outside of that, oh my God. And he kind of went like more throwback for this concert. It was so amazing. First of all, my seats were crazy. I was gonna be cheap and get like the $100 seat, so then I ended up paying $230. And my friend was like, and then I saw like floor seats were like $2 something too last minute, so I'm like, damn, I might as well get floor seats. My friend kept saying, don't get floor seats, you're gonna be standing the whole time, you're not gonna like it, don't get floor seats, don't get floor seats. I'm like, all right, bro. So I ended up getting seats not too far from her. She was row 8 and then I was row 6. I'm walking down, I'm getting closer and closer to the stage. I'm like, is this the right area? Like, is this a different section? Like, this is my section. The guy's like, yeah, your seat's right there. Yeah, I was literally like 2-3 rows away from the stage. Like I literally got so lucky with the tickets that I got, bro. Like, it was so perfect. Oh my God. He just performed such amazing songs. I look so good. I am hungry though, I'm not gonna lie. There's a small part of me that might take a trip to McDonald's. I think I have ramen here though, so I can really just eat a bowl of ramen, which I might do that. It's probably gonna be smarter. And then at the end, I did want to buy merchandise because like I'm not even I'm not even a person like that. Like, oh, I need a jacket, I don't care about stuff like that. But this was one of my favorite concerts, and I really do love Rod Wave. So excuse me. At the stand they were selling like shirts for like 50, 60 bucks, and then jackets for like hoodies for like $100. But y'all know, like outside of the concert, they be out there selling. So I bought myself a hoodie. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, I love it so much. It says Redemption Experience, and then on the back it got his tour dates. Yo, cause he came to Miami twice. So like tomorrow's part 2, not part 2, but it's like it's another concert that he's doing. I will be servicing all the girls in my hoodie thing. Yeah, did he give me medium or small? I asked him for small. It's like a little big. It should be small. I told him small. He gave me large. I'm looking at it, I'm like, this looks kind of big, but like I guess it'll be. I literally told him I wanted small. He literally gave me large. Like, what the hell? Like, how do you get, like, he showed me small and then he showed me medium, and I'm like, let me just do the small because the medium was kind of big. I leave with large, but you know what, it's okay. It could be like that oversized, you know, Rod look, you know. So I'm gonna wear my little big shirt with some leggings tomorrow. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much how it went. I had such a good time. It was so amazing. It was literally just a 10 out of 10. Everything came out so awesome. Like, it was just literally, I couldn't ask for anything more. I couldn't ask for anything. I think the most I can ask for is if they said, okay, y'all can sleep here. He's gonna come perform in the morning to wake you up. Like, that's the most I could ask for. Like, I mean, there wasn't a song. There wasn't one song that I wanted to hear that I didn't hear. I'm talking, there was old songs that I'm like, I missed that tour. Like, he's probably not gonna sing this. He did this part of the tour. I'll put a clip. He did a part where he's like, I'm gonna let y'all choose like what song I do next. Y'all, it was 3. It was like richer, it was Richer, Fight the Feeling, and What's Wrong. What's Wrong is an old song. Like, that's an old one. So I thought they was gonna choose a different song. Everybody chose that. I feel like the whole crowd, like, they was into like his old music. So that was one of my favorite songs. She said, what's wrong with you? Tell me why you acting so tough. Tell me why you so scared to show love. Too many scars on my heart to say no blood. Like, what? I was so happy that he did that song. Then Falling Fast in Love, it never been a safe thing. When I tell you, these are songs like I know I'm blasting in my car. So when I tell you, it was good. And I'm not gonna lie, the last lap, I knew I was gonna get emotional somewhere. Last lap got me emotional because when his uncle died, he dropped that song, and my dad had just died. So that song is like, it's really dear to me. Like, I was playing it after, like, during the funeral, I played it at the reception of my dad, like the wake, not the wake, what you call that, like, you know, when you gather and eat after the funeral. Played it there. Like, I played it a lot. Like, that was like a song. I felt like he dropped it at just such an amazing time because I was feeling every word of that song. And then he has Turtle Race where he talks about, like, you know, for my niggas locked up, gone on the system, you know, something about like people locked up. And then I had like an ex that was in like prison and stuff. So it was just like a lot of things he was dropping was like in certain times that were just like, wow, I really relate. But I'm gonna stop talking y'all ear off. I just got inside. I'm about to get something to eat. I think I'm either gonna go get some Mickey D's or just make some ramen. I'll figure that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed the mini vlog. I took you guys with me for a little bit. I tried, y'all. I was just having too much fun. But yeah,